Hi everyone, good evening. Ramaya here. Today I am going to discuss about flat files. Files which are saved as .txt or .csv. CSV means comma separated values. Okay, we have two types of files that are available. One is delimited flat files and fixed width flat files. Delimited flat files are going to separated with comma, okay, space, pipe, semicolon, or whatever special character that are available or that is coming with the source. Accordingly, we need to identify the special character or delimiter while importing into your Informatica Power Center. Okay, once that import process is done, then you can create a mapping to load the data from file to your target as a table, or you can generate target also as flat file again based on our requirement. Okay, but here we have two types of files that are available. One is the delimiter and fixed width flat file. Delimiters, as I mentioned, delimiter files are separated with the special characters. Most of the cases in real time we are seeing only comma separated, or it may be multiple delimiters as well. Okay, the second one will come as fixed width flat files. Fixed width flat files are not separated with any delimited. Those are all manually splitting. Okay, whenever we are going to import into Informatica Power Center as a source, okay, those files are splitted manually. Okay, we are not using any delimited. But here there is a performance consideration. Okay, whereas you are going to use fixed width flat files. Okay, whereas you are going to use fixed width flat files over delimited flat files, it will give good performance. The reason being here is, okay, the reason here is fixed width files are manually splitting. All columns are separated by splitting manually, whereas your delimited flat files are going to separate with the comma, space, pipe, or any special character. So what will happen here? Your integration service is going to read each and every column by separating or by reading, including delimiter as well. That is the reason it will take more time to read your data from the flat file. Whereas fixed width, your integration service will not take much risk to read your data. To read your data based on columns. Since you are going to split manually. Here we are minimizing our time, our integration service time to read the data. Okay, suppose you have a huge amount of data coming from the active source as a file. In that cases, if you use a fixed width flat file as a source, it will give good performance comparatively your delimited flat files. That is where performance content consideration come into the picture. Now I will show you how to import all flat files. It may be delimited or fixed width, and how to generate target also as a file. And as I mentioned earlier, there are two types of mechanisms that are available, right? One is direct loading and indirect loading. These two also I will show you now. Okay, let's start our practical session now. Okay, let me create one mapping. Okay, before that, I want to take, or I want to import source, right? Go to under source analyzer, click on sources from import from file. Using this particular option, you can choose the where your file is available in your local machine or available in your source path, right? So under source path I have flat files. In this particular location I have east customer east region is my flat file. Okay, let me open it. You just click on this. Okay, the moment when I clicked on, you are able to see delimited and fixed width. Okay, you already know and you are aware of this particular file. This is delimited. Okay, this is delimited, right? Then you can choose the radio button as delimited. Then see here there is one more option. You can see here also, right, where your particular file available. See, this is your path, right? In this location your file is available. So first line also you have one particular information, that is customer id comma customer name comma amount. This is your header of your file, right? I don't want a header as a record. I don't want a header as a record. I want a header as a header. That's all. Okay. Now what I will do for this, I am going to import field names from this first line. Okay, you just enable, or you can check this one. Okay, when you enable this one, it will start from the row number 2, where actual rows come into the picture. Okay, these are all the records you are going to load into your target, right? Then click next and see, already comma it is selected. If it is not selected, see, fields will be considered like this. All complete data will consider single field only. Okay, when you select the exact delimiter here, automatically the columns data will be splitted in proper manner. Okay, then click on OK. See here, see, currently your cursor under customer id, you just move to customer name and amount that you are having. Automatically it will capture all data types that are available and the length as well. Okay, next click on finish. Control yes. The moment when you click on finish and press Control S, is nothing but this is saving your object now permanently stored in repository database in your Informatica Power Center. Okay, and you can see your sources are available here. Your sources are available here. If you want to see the data, yes, you can see the data. Go to preview data. You can choose the path where is your file is available. That's all. Okay, where is your file is available. You just select all files. This is my file name, right? Yes, and click open. See, this indicates that the way your imported metadata is correct. The way you imported particular file metadata is nothing but is correct only. There is no data discrepancy here. Whatever data is available at file level, same data you are able to see here, right? This is the way you can do pre-check as well. Okay, I'm going to close this one. Now let me create, let me create on mapping. Create m underscore delimit flat files. This is my mapping name. Okay, I'm going to take this one as a one particular Control C. Now okay, let me take source, right? Source as a this is my customer east region is my source. Correct. So in the same way I want target also, right? Let me take the metadata of the target also. Same file will try to import here for metadata purpose only. Okay, now select all files, and this is first east region Okay, I am taking only for metadata purpose. Okay, I don't want this one, or I am going to cancel this one. Yes, see, I am going to exit from here and drag and drop the same source here. Control yes, that is also fine, no problem. Okay, this is also fine. Now what I'll do, I'll take this particular target as this particular object as a target here. Okay, if you see here, what is the data type, or this is related to what is the database type here? This is also file. Okay, yeah, I want this file or this metadata for metadata purpose. It means that I want one metadata as a target also, right? For target also, I need one metadata. As I mentioned in earlier classes also, while creating any ETL mappings or applications, source metadata, target metadata, with or without business are very, very important. They are key role to create your mappings, right? So that is the reason I want source metadata and the target metadata. Okay, I am going to click on this one. Now, yeah, let me create the flat mapping. Okay, I don't want to uh, implement any logic also here. I don't want any logic. Let me create same data that is available in source, and I'm going to load into my target as well as a file. Okay, you just to save this one. This is a flat mapping. Okay, now what I'll do, you can go ahead and create your session. Where we are going to create our session, our workflow under Informatica Power Center Workflow Manager, right? Yeah. Now go to task developer. Under task developer, go to tasks, and we can create the session here. Yes, underscore, you can give the mapping name here. Click OK. What is my mapping name here? M underscore delimited flat files. Click OK again and click on done. Okay, now what you will do, we have to provide the connection information also. See here, in previous classes, we are giving relational reader connection and the relational writer connections. Okay, but since you are taking source as a file here, file reader, it's not a relational reader. So where I have to give the connection information on that. See here, this is asking source file directory. You can give the source file directory. Where is your source is available, right? You just to take this one as a copy paste, control C, and here under this area you can do paste, and you can give the slash as well, and you can give the slash. After that, anyhow, we have cust underscore east region dot txt file. So automatically your integration service will go to this particular location and identify the .txt file, and it will fetch the data from the source. That's all. Okay, I am done with my source level properties and all. Okay, this is direct only. Source file type is direct. I am not using the indirect here. Okay, for now I am using direct only. Okay, click apply. Then go to here. Here also I want to generate target as a file, right? I don't want to load data into target as a table. Okay, I don't want to do that one. I want to generate, okay, target also file. Okay, now what I'll do, see here, what is this? This is the path for output file directory, where you want to create, even in which location we need to create this particular file. See, this is the target. In my server, I want to generate this particular file, right? This particular file, right? In this location, I'm going to generate the trg files, right? And this is the file name that I have. Okay, and okay, now yes, click OK. Control yes. Now what you will do? Workflow designer. I'm going to create workflow also. Sorry, this is wrong. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this one and let me take the name which is available my session. Okay, control C, click OK, and you just click on OK again. Then go to workflows. Okay, under this you have to create the workflow underscore s underscore m underscore delimited flat files. Okay, now from the left window you can drag and drop into the relevant session and take the link task. With the help of link task you can give the configuration to your workflow also. Okay, let me start my workflow. See, my session is completed successfully without issues. Let me show you the statistical information here. Okay, now yes, how many are available in my source? Okay, how many are available? 4 are available and 4 are applied to my target as a file. Okay, then let me check in target position, I mean target location. You just refresh always, you have to refresh your location. Okay, see, yes, how many are loaded? 1 2 3 4. Okay, how many are loaded? 4 records are loaded without a header. Without a header. Let me create a header also. Let me create a header also here. Okay. Go to session, task developer. Here you can create a header also. Let me show you the option how to create a header. Okay. See here it is showing some options that are available. Some options that are available. See, header options. Header options. Okay, output output head field names or use header command output. See, I am going to create header command echo. Okay, echo. What is the first one? First column name is customer ID, comma customer name, comma amount. Right, I'm using echo here. Okay, and you can give double quote also here. Accordingly it will create the header. Okay, accordingly it will create the header. Now apply, click OK, and you can save your session. Once you done your changes, again you can start your workflow. Yes, again it is showing how many records are loaded. Yeah, let me show you the path again here. Informatica 9.6.1, and what is the location? Server infrastructure. Under this I have the target here. Okay, let me refresh. Always you have to refresh this to see the latest information that is available here. Yes, yes, I'm done. Right, customer ID, comma customer name, comma amount. If you observe carefully, there are some double quote also. I don't want this one. Okay, I don't want to see the double quotes. I want to delete it. Let me show you how to delete that one. Okay, again you can go here. Okay, go to your session. Now under mapping you have to select the where you are having the issues. Right, I have issue under target. Right, yeah, go to set file properties. This is very important. Okay, click on this one and go to, yeah, anyhow this is related to delimiter advanced. Okay, here you see double is selected. I don't want this one, right? I want to mark as a none. That's all. Click OK. Again click OK. Then apply. Click OK. Control yes. Okay, now you can run your workflow again. Then see the status of your session. Yes, this is succeeded successfully. And refresh your target location. Yes, I am going to refresh now. Yes, see here, the data populated correctly without data discrepancy. Whatever we are having in source level, same data I captured into my target as a file. Okay, this is how it will work. It will help you. Okay, in next session, I will continue the same concept to show you how to load the indirect files and fixed width as well. Okay, thank you. Have a great day.